These are the Oraimo FreePods 2 True Wireless EarBuds. They're half in-ear headphones, and I have the 2BB edition version. On Oraimo's website, these headphones are listed for 9,900 Naira, which are the equivalent of $22, and that's quite affordable. Hey guys, it's Fisayo here, and in this video we'll be looking at these Oraimo FreePods 2. We'll be looking at some of its features and my experience using it. I'll also be giving one of these headphones away, so make sure you like this video and make sure you're already subscribed to my channel. And of course, stick around to the end to find out everything you need to know about it. Without further ado, let's get to the video. Now, taking the wrap off of the box of the Oraimo FreePods, we have some of the glossiness on the packaging around and the front and back too. On the side is where we have some of the highlights of some of the features that makes it stand out. Instant connections, ergonomics, charging case, and weight. Inside of the box of the Oraimo FreePods 2, and I must say I like how it's packaged, we have the headphones itself. It's in a glossy black finish, sort of like piano black. I like the color, I like how reflective and premium it looks. Again, because it's a special edition headphone by 2BB himself, tuned by 2BB himself. You do get his signature on it and a One Love text right beneath it. We put the headphones to the side for now. For what's in the rest of the box, there's a smaller box housing the welcome guide, which is quite comprehensive, and the USB charging cable, which I thought was a bit too short, but if you have a smartphone cable that came with your smartphone, that would also suffice. That's all in the box, and we're going to move right into the features of these headphones. First off, let's talk about the build quality. Although it's a fingerprint magnet, I like how it feels in the hand. It's a little slippery. You won't even notice it's plastic with the way it looks and feels. That's adding to the ergonomics of it in a way and adds to the style of it. It also snaps really well as the headphones are also magnetically locked into the case. The case weighs around 31 grams, which is quite light, and underneath it is a normal USB port, no USB-C. The battery capacity is 500 milliamp hour. It would take 3 hours to charge from 0 to 100%, which is fair. And you see the battery indicator on the case on a 3-point scale. The first light means it's less than 33%. The second light means it's between 33 and 66%, while the last light means it's above 66%. Same thing you see when you're charging it. One selling point of the case is that it can charge the headphones from 0 to 100% up to 6 times or 7 times if you are mostly doing phone calls. Speaking of the headphones itself, without the case, they are very light. They're coming at 4 grams each, and they fit comfortably. I actually look forward to taking this to the gym because they won't fall off so easily. So yeah, fitness and comfort are on point when you're wearing these, and when you're wearing them for long term, you won't get pains, they won't hamper you. They're also polycarbonate materials or plastic, and they have the 2BB edition with gold accents all over them. We have multi-touch sensors and status indicators for when it's pairing or low. Underneath the boards are also the connection pins for when it's charging in the case, and the microphones for phone calls or sound recording. Talk time is up to 3 hours and music time is up to 3.5 hours. Standby time is also at an impressive 82 hours. And as I mentioned, the case can charge the headphones, which take 2 hours to get full. It can charge it 6 times, and that's enough to last nearly the entire day with just your case and the headphones. In order to pair these, if it's the first time, you would have to make sure your Bluetooth is turned on your smartphone. These headphones are Bluetooth 5.0 by the way, and you will only need to remove the headphones from the case and connect your smartphone. They will be blinking red and green, and once it's connected or paired, the status indicator light goes off. Now, after your first pairing, all you need to do is just take the headphones out, and it will automatically connect to the previous device it was connected to, which is cool, which is fast. I like that. Once your headphones are turned on and connected, you will actually hear 2BB's voice. He will say power on, and he will say connected or pairing, which is cool. I kind of like that. I think it's not just a generic voice, it's 2BB's voice. It makes it all the more special. Of course, in order to turn it off, in order to turn your headphones off, simply place it back into the case. It will turn off, or after 3 minutes, if it hasn't connected to any device, it would automatically shut down. Now, enough of the specs and features. Let's get into the sound quality. How does this perform? I've used it for some hours, as I've had it for a limited time, and I thought they sounded cool. As someone who started learning music production and delving into some music theory stuff, I can say that they did sound quite fine. I played some of my favorite colorful songs from Sela, which I think everybody should listen to, by the way. He's amazing. I felt the bass wasn't as punchy. The hi-hats were clear, the kicks were not so huge, but the mids, you know, were also good when it came to songs. The vocals were processed nicely, they were loud and clear enough, and just like the bass, the highs were also not that noticeable. My observations were much more present when I increased the volume. These headphones would do well for rap songs or trap songs with a lot of hi-hats and kicks and heavy reliance, R&B songs, heavy reliance on vocals, while for electronic music, which is instrumentals focused, it just sounded fine. These half-in-ear headphones, while they may not be noise cancelling, they sounded okay. And if you can, you might want to consider fine-tuning the headphones with an equalizer app to get your desired results. The touch sensors on the headphones are also responsive. Tapping twice would play or pause. Holding the right earbud will play the next song or skip to the next song, and holding the left earbuds will skip to the previous song. Tapping it 3 times on the left side would decrease the volume, and tapping it 3 times on the right side would increase the volume. Now, while they are easy tapping gestures, they could cause strain if you do it with force, so you want to be careful with how you tap. Just tap lightly. Funny fact, I was just wearing these out, and my sister actually said from afar, because they were gold plated, it looked like I was wearing earrings. What are your thoughts about these headphones? I mean, for the price of 9,900 Naira or $22, this is quite a bargain with all of the features it comes with. It also does come with 365-day warranty, and I see this as accompanying many mid-range devices. But then again, an extensive test could work well. Make sure you're following me on Twitter. I'll be updating you guys. I will be giving away one as well, so make sure you also subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and subscribe button if you haven't already. Do leave a comment down below if you have any questions concerning these headphones. And you can also share this video with people who might have questions about this product. You could just be giving them answers with this video. Thank you so much for watching again. I'll see you guys in the next video.